Welcome to the Tibetan class. So today I'm going to answer two sentences related to what we did yesterday. So here, he improved his Tibetan. Perhaps he improved his Tibetan. He improved his Tibetan. Perhaps he improved his Tibetan. So, how is it different from the sentences we did yesterday? First of all, this sentence is simple past. And what we did yesterday was present perfect. And here, perhaps he improved his Tibetan. Again, both of these sentences are simple past simple. Okay, and now what is the difference here? He improved his Tibetan. Perhaps he improved his Tibetan. In English, you are adding only the word perhaps. That's it. Now, the language I am teaching now belongs to Tibeto-Burmese language group. There is no such thing as Sino-Tibetan language. There is no connection at all with Chinese language, neither with Mandarin, neither with Cantonese. That is like misleading you. So it's Tibeto-Burmese language, and now the special thing about Tibeto-Burmese language is linguists call it agophoric language. Agophoric language. E-G-O, ego, P-H-O-R-I-C, agophoric. Agophoric language. Now this is what agophoric language is. Attestative. Attestative. If you have my book, you will see this word many times. Attestative is something you saw it. You say something like he came, and in it also the auxiliary says you yourself saw it, or you yourself saw a dragon in the sky. You yourself. Attestative is witness. So this is special about Tibeto-Burmese language. In English sentence, he improved his Tibetan. Perhaps he improved his Tibetan. Now, if this is attestative, you went there and he worked hard to improve Tibetan. And if you witness it, then what to say? Now, perhaps he improved his Tibetan. When you say perhaps, it's assumption. So if it's assumption, which auxiliary to have? If you have seen it yourself, which auxiliary should you use? This is what I'm going to explain today. So now, we have subject here. Kanaroko nga kong ga kiku gi sa gi kong gi. It shows ga kiku gi sa gi shows that the pronoun in front of it is the subject here. Kong gi panarupu da pu sakataka da ke kong gi pu ke. And we know the word improve yake. Ya ra yar, ra gata ga yata gya sa ge, ya ge. And we know this, in this sentence, he improved his Tibetan. We have the subject here. Yesterday we learned that if there is a subject in such sentences, the verbalizer should be yage tang, and we know power tang atang is past tense of improving yage tang. Why should we have tang? Because there is a subject in the sentence. Someone is doing it or someone did it. Now, attestative, you saw it, you witnessed it. In that case, so this is something special about Tibeto-Burmese language. In Tibeto-Burmese language, like Sikkimese, Ladakhis, Sherpas, Tamangs, and even Pradhans, Niwaris use the same, we have the same grammatical rule. So not only these countries, but even in Native American language, they also have this echophoric. The sentences, the auxiliary, which tells us, which shows us that he himself witnessed it, or it is just a presumption, or is it a general knowledge? Okay, so tang, now if you witness it, if you see someone come, if you see yourself someone go, song, why should you use auxiliary song? Because you yourself witnessed it. He went, he came, he told. So if you have my book, I have used the word attestative. Means you yourself have witnessed it. Or if someone says Kongi Pyoge Yage Tangsong, the listener understand that he himself saw this person making lots of effort to make improvement. Okay, then now here, perhaps he improved his Tibetan. This is assumption. In that case, the word perhaps, gao cha kiku chi ga chik bayata cha sa che na. This is the word perhaps. Gao cha kiku chi ga chik, gao cha kiku chi ga chik ba yata ja sa che na chikchena. Perhaps chikchena. Perhaps chikchena. Chikchena. And then he improved his Tibetan. There's a subject in the sentence, Konggi, 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 Tibetan language. Yarayar, Ragatagayate Gyasage, Yagye, Yagye. Again, this sentence too have a subject. So Yagye tang, Yagye tang. Yagye tang. And the second sentence is based on assumption. You didn't see him make effort to improve his Tibetan personally. You didn't see it. If you haven't seen it, if you didn't see, then you can never have auxiliary song for something you did not witness it personally. Then what should we have? This is simple past. Yage tang wa re. So the summary. Yesterday we did present perfect, and there were two sentences. There is a doer in one of the sentences, and there is no doer in the second sentence. But here, in both the sentences, we have doer, subject. So, since this doer in this subject, Yage tang, he improved. Konggi Yage tang. But how does it differ? It differs. The first sentence is attestative. You witness it yourself. You saw it with your own eyes. In that case, Konggi Pyoge Yage tang song. Song is attestative auxiliary for past tense. And here, chikchena, perhaps. Now we are making guess. Perhaps, probably, surely. All these are sentences based on assumption. So, chikchena, konggi, okay, pöke is pöke. Pöke, yage, tang and tang, because there is subject. But some here, but wade here, because this sentence is based on assumption and this sentence is based on witnessed, something that you witnessed. So echophoric language. In English, he improved his sentence. Did you see it personally or not? You don't know. I added this perhaps to make it more sense, that is to make it easier for you to know that this is a sentence based on assumption. So if someone says song, you should know that the person saying it saw it himself. And then if the sentence ends with ware or pare, and then listener understand that the person speaking didn't directly witness it. Echophoric language. So this makes our language very interesting. For each and every sentence, there is a logical explanation. So I hope you gained something from this sentence, and I will come up later with a bit more complicated sentence. So thank you very much for coming to the class, and have a good day.